Introducing WPBakery Page Builder, the ultimate solution for crafting exceptional WordPress websites effortlessly, revolutionizing your web design journey. Say farewell to the complexities of traditional coding and embrace a seamless, no-code, and low-code experience with WPBakery. With WPBakery, creativity knows no bounds. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and extensive library of customizable elements empower you to bring your vision to life with just a few clicks. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a novice, WPBakery caters to your preferences with two types of editors: the Backend schematic editor for traditionalists or the Frontend editor for those who prefer to see their changes live. Concerned about responsiveness? WPBakery has you covered. Ensure your website looks impeccable on every device with automatic responsiveness or fine-tuned preferences to meet your specific requirements. And with WPBakery's responsive preview feature, you can visualize how your site will appear on various devices right out of the box, ensuring a seamless user experience for all visitors. But the innovation doesn't stop there. WPBakery introduces a built-in AI assistant to elevate your website creation process. Need text generated or enhanced, translation to any language, custom code for that extra touch of uniqueness? WPBakery's AI assistant is at your service, streamlining your workflow and enhancing efficiency. Boost your website's visibility with WPBakery's integrated SEO toolkit. Enhance search engine visibility and improve search results without ever leaving the editor, maximizing your website's reach and impact. Building your dream layout is a breeze with WPBakery's comprehensive toolkit. Simply add rows and columns, choose from over 50 predefined content elements, or kickstart your design with professionally crafted templates. Drag elements around, adjust settings, and publish. It's that simple and efficient. With access to over 200 unique add-ons, hundreds of content elements, and a continually updated template library, WPBakery empowers you to create truly unique and captivating websites. And with WPBakery's template system and library, building your dream layout is just a few clicks away, saving you time and effort in the process. Calling all web developers. WPBakery offers a robust knowledge base and developer API for extending its functionality, providing endless possibilities for customization and innovation. Plus, with the shortcode mapper feature, seamlessly integrate third-party shortcodes into your content elements, further expanding your website's capabilities. But don't just take our word for it. WPBakery Page Builder has garnered praise from users and experts worldwide. From Forbes to WPExplorer, users everywhere are lauding its ease of use, versatility, and powerful features, making it a trusted choice for building stunning WordPress websites. Ready to elevate your website design experience? Join the millions of satisfied users and unlock the full potential of your WordPress website with WPBakery Page Builder. Purchase now and embark on a journey of unparalleled creativity and efficiency.